Benzinga Pro Market Insights, a pricing explained what you get for your money. Benzinga Pro is a market research and news platform designed for active investors and traders who need real-time insights. Many assume premium market data services are prohibitively expensive, but Benzinga Pro offers tiered pricing to suit different needs. The basic plan costs per month and includes real-time news feeds, stock alerts, and market calendars. The essential plan is per month and adds advanced screening tools, trading signals, and in-depth analysis. For professional traders, the premium plan at per month provides full access to research, exclusive newsletters, and enhanced analytics. Most people get this wrong by assuming Benzinga Pro is just a news feed. The platform delivers actionable insights with integrated tools for scanning stocks, tracking market-moving events, and generating trade ideas. For example, users can set custom alerts on specific sectors or price movements to stay ahead. The surprising truth is that Benzinga Pro's combination of news, analytics, and trading tools makes it more than a research platform. It's a full-service decision-making hub. Investors can reduce research time while improving the quality of trades and portfolio management. In conclusion, Benzinga Pro pricing reflects the depth and utility of its features. Whether using the basic plan for alerts or the premium plan for professional insights, your investment provides access to powerful market intelligence that can support smarter trading decisions.